Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. It's just kind of springy and pinky and glowy, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I tried a couple of products that I've never used before. I tried the it.Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation and a couple of other stuff that I bought recently. And as always, all the products that I used on my face today will be listed down in the description box below. Ignore my bangs. I put them up in curlers so that because they weren't sitting right this morning. I'm trying a few new products that I got from Ulta recently. This is an it brush. It's the Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush number 77, and it's like it's kind of like triangle shaped, but like only a little bit, and it's soft. It's like flat, completely flat on the top, and it feels really nice. I'm going to use this for my foundation and my primer, which I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, which is my favorite primer at the moment. And I'm going for like a glowy, you know, kind of natural look. Not natural as in no makeup, but natural as in not really heavy, you know, and not really matte. So this brush feels so soft and smooth to blend out my stuff. I'm trying this foundation by it.Cosmetics as well. It's the Bye Bye foundation. I have it in the shade, it's the Bye Bye foundation full coverage moisturizer. I think it's just like the regular. I've never tried the it.Cosmetics foundation. I have the shade Fair, which is the lightest shade that was available online. So I'm assuming it's the lightest shade they have. And I'm going to put like, you know, 2/3 of a pump on my brush and then just kind of tap it onto my face. This smells really strong. It smells like rosemary or something. It's not perfumey, it's like herby and citrusy a little bit. I want to kind of start tapping it in my skin and just see if I need to like add more. It looks really nice on my skin. It covered up the little bit of redness. I don't have a lot of redness on my face at the moment, but the little bit there, it did cover it up really good, but you can still see my skin through the foundation. I think the shade matches really well. For the most part, it matches really good for my skin. Whenever I went to like buy it online, I did the little like color picker thing, the little shade match thing, and I chose the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It foundation, which is my favorite foundation, in the shade Fair, because it matches my skin perfectly. And I think this one does as well. It matches really nice. For my under eye concealer, I'm using the I Heart Revolution one. I have the shade Buttermilk, and I'm putting it like on my chin and my forehead to brighten up the middle of my face as well. And I blended the foundation onto my eyelids a little bit, so I'm going to blend the concealer on them also. For my blush, I'm using this Essence product. It's the What a Tint Lip and Cheek Tint. I think I'm probably going to use this on my lips later. Also, it's like Essence's. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like the Benetint one, which I've never tried before, but it's basically the same type of thing. It's like a liquid. The shade is Kiss from a Rose, and it smells really good. It smells like roses, like really sweet roses. It smells really good. I'm gonna just dab some of this on my cheeks, just like that much at a time. I don't know how like pigmented this is, and then I'm gonna blend it out. It's kind of soft. I think I might have to like layer up a little bit more of it. That blush looks really pretty. I love the color, but I even put a little bit on like the bridge of my nose here across. I also set my face with some just translucent setting powder all over, and I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows. My camera died, so I had to wait a few minutes for it to charge, so I just went ahead and did those things. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is the blush one. I've not tried this yet. This is also new to me. The shade is Pink Me Up, and I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow. I have this e.l.f. brush. It's just a blending brush. I got it in a set, an eye brush set, and I think I want to try this as a highlighter first, just like for fun. I don't know if it's going to be like too pink to use. I know these Halo Glow products are glowy, so I think it would work as a highlighter, but it might be a little bit too pink. It's kind of pretty, but I think it's a little bit too pink to use as a blush, so not as a blush, as a highlighter, especially on top of that blush that I have right now, because it's a little bit on the lighter side. So I'm going to just put some of this on the back of my hand right here and dip into this and just start blending it into my crease here, and then just up a little bit towards my eyebrows, pulling the ends out like that towards the tail of my eyebrow. A little bit of this on the lower lash line also, and then just like connect the colors on the outside here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pencil by NYX. It's the Jumbo Eye Pencil. It's my favorite inner corner highlight, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner plus my brow bone right here as well. I think I'm also going to put that on my lower waterline. So for my face highlight, I'm taking the iconic London Drops. Put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. Spread this on the tops of my cheekbones right here. Nice little bit of a glow on the face right there. And I'm not spreading it like this because it kind of wants to be streaky for some reason when I try to do like that. So I'm just kind of tapping it on the high points of my face, plus a little bit here on the top of the eyebrows and the cupid's bow, the chin, and then the nose, of course. Okay, let's do setting spray real quick. Then I'm going to go to my lips because I'm going to try that blush stuff on my lips. I'm using the Hangover setting spray by Too Faced. I also got a couple of new lip liners. I have some more colors in there, but these are the two that I'm going to choose between today. They're two a little bit more like mauve pink ones. These are the NYX Suede matte lip liners, by the way. It's my favorite formula for lip liner, and I stocked up on my favorite red one, Spicy. I don't have any other shades of this same lip liner, but I love the formula a lot, so I wanted to get it in like a bunch of different shades. These two that I'm going to attempt to open, I might have to go get a tweezers. This is so frustrating. The plastic is coming off in like a billion little pieces. I don't know why. Okay, this one is called Con. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, don't tell me. This one right here. Okay, this is the other shade. It's called Whipped Caviar, the other one. This one's a little more peachy, this one's a little more cooler tone. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet. I'm gonna go with the lighter one. I think it matches the whole look a little bit better, and it's a little bit more like, you know, brighter, springy. So I'm going to just outline my whole lips with this and probably blend it into the center a little bit also. And I overline my lips a little bit on the top bit here on the cupid's bow, and then on the bottom part in like the center, I don't overline the edges or like the, you know, outer portions at all, just on like the top and the bottom section. So now I'm gonna take the Essence What a Tint and I'm going to blend that on the top of the lip liner. Okay, I just put like one layer of that on. This is a really beautiful color. Last but not least, we need to put some mascara on, and I had it sitting here and then I completely lost it. This is the Tubing Mascara by Milani. It's highly rated lash extensions tubing mascara. Pull these little guys just kind of like that. Okay, and here's the completed look. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And I'm going to show you my outfit real quick. I'm going to insert a little video right here. The makeup was inspired by the flowers on my dress, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel and come back to see more videos from me. I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Bye!